Right, now we will start with the 8th exercise, which is going to be called set alarm. Let's read through the instructions and understand what they want from us exactly. They are telling us write a function named set alarm, they already named it for us, which receives two parameters. The first parameter, employed. We have two parameters, employed, and another bool is vacation. Is true whenever you are employed. This parameter will be true whenever you are employed, and second parameter, vacation, is true whenever you are on vacation. The function should return true if you are employed and not on vacation, because these are the circumstances under which you need to set an alarm. It should return false otherwise. So to understand it better, let's see. Set alarm if employed is true and vacation is true, it's going to return false. If employed is false and vacation is true, it's going to return false. False for employed, false for vacation, it's going to return false. And the only case it's going to return true when the employed is true and the vacation is false. So yeah, I think it's gonna be super easy. We are going to say that if employed is true and vacation is false, then I'm going to return true. Otherwise, all the cases it's going to be false. So let's see how we can do it. So I should say if employed is equal to true, and at the same time how we should write and it's written this way: vacation is false, then it's going to return true to me. Return true. Else, if this wasn't true, this is because this is the only case that was going to return true, else return false. Let's test it. What's the matter? Yeah. Sorry. Oh my goodness. And you have passed all the tests. There's another way you can check. It's actually more abbreviated way just to make your what is called? Make your code like look better, I can say. No, let's write it from beginning, okay? Then we're going to add a question mark. If it's true, then going to return true. Otherwise, it's going to return false. So this is instead of saying if employed and not on vacation, I'm saying if employed is true and not in vacation, say true. Otherwise, say false. I'm questioning. So it's another way of writing if else statement in a more abbreviative and short way. Now let's test it and check if our code is running or not. Oh, I deleted the curly braces. Oh, such a jerk. Stupid me. So as you can see here, we've passed all the tests. So please write down in the comment, I want to see your opinion, which way is better, the first one or the second one. Sorry for creating a lot of mistakes today. Not really feeling concentrated. Thanks for watching me, and see you next time. As I said, just don't forget to tell me which one is better, the first or the second. And thank you so much. Thanks for watching.